welcome to our Bangkok trip. This was our private car transfer from the Bangkok airport on our way to Park Hyatt, Bangkok. It was easy, pretty efficient, and upon entering Park Hyatt, we were immediately impressed by the facade, by the grounds. Really fantastic location. And we were welcomed by an incredible staff. It's worth highlighting that this hotel is actually connected to the Central Embassy Mall. So you're just literally a few floors away from either going to the mall to shop or eat and or coming back to the hotel. And if you're like a luxury brand lover like me, you're gonna enjoy shopping here and you're gonna be tempted for more. We especially loved the very relaxing and beautiful infinity pool of Park Hyatt Bangkok. It was so nice to start our day here. It's also sea salt water, by the way, and definitely one of the best infinity pools I've seen. In here you can see behind the marble temple, very sacred, very serene, and really beautiful architecture. It's so zen, and the beautiful front view of the marble temple and the grounds. We actually saw a few couple who were taking their prenup pictures here, so in case you have that idea, you can thank me later for the tip. This was upon entering the majestic Wat Arun.
This is the guardian.
Really impressive. There is a beautiful story behind Wat Arun, so look it up or hire your own travel agent or ask your friends from Bangkok and enjoy the grounds. This is definitely a must not miss when you're in Bangkok. It's also amazing that we had to cross the Chao Phraya River to get here via boat. So it's honestly a wonderful experience. This is the beautiful and sacred ordination hall within Wat Arun. This is the highlight, one of the highlights of our trip, meeting this incredible monk. And then we were taken to feed the turtles, which is lucky and good for longevity.
If time is important to you, right?
Yeah.
I apologize for the strong winds that you may hear. This is upon us climbing up the metal castle. Again, there's an incredible story behind this. And then we got to walk the grounds further. And we were amazed that we were able to hear the monks chanting. It was apparently the hour for them to do that. And we were very grateful and blessed to be able to witness them chanting. And what a beautiful sacred space. And this was Chinatown after walking the flower market area. We were taken to this Chinese temple and we were able to go inside and appreciate and admire what they had here. Everything Chinese culture this time. I was told that most or half of the thighs are either half Thai, half Chinese, if that was true. But I was given that little bit of trivia. And of course, Bangkok is not Bangkok unless you do the nightlife. So we were lucky to be able to go and have dinner at one of Bangkok's best steakhouses within Park Hyatt. And this is the rooftop bar. This we got to enjoy almost every day at Park Hyatt. We loved their breakfast buffet. And what's even more amazing, you can actually order from their a la carte breakfast menu as well, which was, everything was delicious. One of the best parts of our stay at Park Hyatt was the food. So if you're considering to do that, thumbs up. You will definitely get what you pay for. And Thailand is not Thailand if not for the freshest and most delicious fruits. We definitely enjoyed all the mangoes that we could. And you can have your vegetables too and salads. Or fresh juices. And after all of that, we just, again, relaxed by the pool, enjoyed a few swims, and really just took it easy because that's what vacations are for. Definitely a highlight and definitely one of the reasons why you should stay at Park Hyatt. I cannot wait to come back. And on our way to our Thai cooking class, we took the BTS or the Skytrain to get a local feel. It was pretty efficient. And this is my second time at Baipai Thai Cooking School. I actually went here in 2015 as well. They were that good, I had to come back. And this is the part where we grill our own chicken satays, which was also our favorite because that meant we get to enjoy it after. This is at Baipai, one of the hottest tables in Bangkok. Worth waiting for to have this incredible crab omelette. Will you look at that? Wow! And seafood stir fry. And then we had a drunken noodle as well with all that. Large amounts of seafood. So you definitely get what you pay for here again. They say it's pretty expensive, but for me, yes, it was, but you got your money's worth. And to have, have her cooking for you. Come on. It's Baipai. This is our favorite mango sticky rice. So that's it. So long, Thailand. So long, Bangkok. Thank you, Park Hyatt. We cannot wait to come back. I hope this helps you decide and plan for your Bangkok trip. Thanks so much, and I hope you had fun.